A storm is inching closer to Northern California, bringing rain, cold temperatures, and snow. In the South Bay, Valley Water is taking advantage of the dry weather we've been having. Crews are making progress on the first phase of 2 projects aimed at reducing flood risk along the Coyote Creek in San Jose. The agency has been installing flood walls to protect homes, schools, businesses, and roads.
A lot of the creek and the homes are right up to the banks of the creek, and we do need to build the walls to protect the entire community.
One region officials are keeping a close eye on is the Sierra Nevada, where a rare blizzard warning has been issued. This winter storm could be one of the strongest and coldest of the season. The National Weather Service says up to 10 feet of snow is possible at the highest elevations, bringing whiteout conditions with zero visibility across the Sierra.
You're talking 74 to 86 inches. This is a big system, a lot of moisture, and snow levels all the way down, forecasted to 1,000 feet.
And some ski resorts may have to close for public safety. So let's get right to meteorologist Jessica Birch in our virtual weather studio.
It is a warm day for us in our inland areas heading into this afternoon with blue skies above us. It almost feels spring-like, and it's also a little bit of a tease because as we head into our forecast tomorrow, rain returns into the Bay Area and temperatures start to drop fast into this weekend. So enjoy your 70s while you have it, San Jose. Oh, I wish it could last a little bit longer, but sadly that's not the case. As we wake up tomorrow morning, we're actually going to start seeing clouds roll in from offshore. We're also going to be seeing a little bit of rain in the forecast to kick off the morning. Let me show you what that's going to look like for us on Futurecast, because today it's clear as can be. Clouds start rolling in the overnight hours. Here's those light speckled showers that give us about 1/100 of an inch of rain just into the 9 a.m. hour. It's really light in the grand scheme of things. It's not until that front moves its way throughout the bay, heading into the afternoon hours, where we get some substantial rain, about 1/2 inch up in the North Bay, about 1/10 of an inch down into the Santa Clara Valley, and we'll continue to watch on and off showers build in from offshore heading into our Friday and Saturday forecast, giving us around 1 inch of rain on average throughout the bay.